So usually see a big spike in tourism, even local tourists, when it gets warm like today, and we have this warm, welcoming weather, Natasha.
That's one thing I noticed for sure driving in is how many more people are walking around as opposed to driving around. Everybody's certainly taking advantage of the warmth finally showing up for us. Well, yesterday was our warmest day of the year. And here we are on June 1st. Could we repeat that? And not only could we repeat that, could we actually go a degree warmer today? The possibility is there. And then we're talking about a rainy weekend ahead. Let's talk about the last week and a half here. Temperatures have been all over the map, anywhere from below normal to above normal. We had a string of days in the 60s, and then most recently, days with temperatures in the upper 70s. Now, that's been a nice change because so far, most of our temperatures have been below normal, really the last 2 to 3 months. Really, the typical first 80-degree day, when do we see it? We would have seen it by now when you look at the averages. But last year, we had our first 80-plus degree day, and that was on April 17th, and it was 84. Okay, I want to talk about this time lapse right here. Look at all those clouds we started off with this morning. Grove Field out there in Camas, but then look at how the clouds started to break apart, and then the wind started to increase, mostly out of the west-northwest, and that started to move the clouds out of the way, which you see right now, which is allowing more sunshine to come through and for things to warm up just a bit more. It's 77 right now. Wind is out of the north at about 6 miles per hour. Temperatures overnight tonight will be in the mid-70s and then low 60s just before we get to midnight. Okay, let's talk about the weekend rain. Yes, we might see anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain. Now, that's just for Portland. That's over a 2-day period. Well, that plus a chance for thunderstorms for portions of the state, which we'll get to here in just a moment. I want to point your attention to how warm it is right now. The Dalles, 82 degrees, Pendleton, 78. Eastern Oregon, Central Oregon up about 8 degrees compared to this time yesterday. Salem now at 80, 76 for Eugene, and we have the low to mid 60s at the coast. Now tomorrow, again, waking up to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s, so a warmish feeling morning. Temperatures for the afternoon could be similar to today with partly cloudy skies a little bit later in the day, upper 70s. Our first chance at seeing some measurable rain, that starts for us on Friday. Last through the weekend. Again, rainfall totals here range anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Even Eastern Oregon and Central Oregon expecting some measurable rain over that 3-day period, anywhere from about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. That's significant. How about your planner for tomorrow? At the coast will be in the low 60s. Valley temperatures, as mentioned before, will be in the upper 70s. A chance for thunderstorms, though, for portions of the Gorge, Central Oregon, and Eastern Oregon, with those temps in the mid to upper 70s. You can see this wide area right here highlighted in green. The area highlighted in darker green indicating the possibility of running into some damaging wind. Wind gusts anywhere from 60 to 65 miles per hour plus hail. Heavy rain. Those downpours could potentially, if concentrated enough, lead to higher running rivers. So that's something that we're going to be watching for tomorrow. Right here at home, 7-day forecast looks like this. Again, upper 70s, another day of it tomorrow. Friday, we're in the upper 60s, so we back off about 10 degrees. And then for the weekend, those showers in place all the way through Monday. Next Tuesday and Wednesday, not looking too bad, Dan and Liz. We're talking about the mid to low 70s. So if you don't like this weekend, don't worry. We get right back to the sunshine.
And you know, looking at your forecast here, this early June forecast, I call it a potpourri. You got a little something for everybody. If you like cool and rainy, you've got that too in your forecast.
Yes,
Thanks,
a little bit of
Natasha.
something.
Yeah.
All right.